As promised, I am going to show you how to embed the sigil into a candle. Okay, so you take a white candle this size normally, and here I have the sigil of Raphael. This is a part of my demonology class, but Raphael is not in that. But I am showing this because this is an order which came from a customer. So this is the sigil. You have to take the printout of the sigil in tracing paper like this. Then you hold another paper over it like this, and then you need to blow it with heat. I will show the blowing of the heat. Now be careful with your fingers. You have to cover your hand with gloves like this, like how I am holding, because otherwise the heat will directly come onto your hands.
With my eyes closed and heart open, I offer a moment of gratitude to all the unseen forces that walk with us, to the energies that guide, protect, and inspire us. Thank you. To the light that moves quietly through our lives, shaping possibilities we cannot yet see. Thank you. Thank you for the gift of this life, for breath, for awareness, for the path that unfolds one step at a time. Thank you for the wisdom that arrives in silence and the strength that rises in us when we need it most. And as this prayer reaches all who hear it, may prosperity flow gently into their lives. May their homes be blessed, their hearts be peaceful, and their journeys be guided by clarity and abundance. May every person watching this be surrounded by support, seen and unseen, and may their days ahead be filled with growth, opportunities, and grace. For all these blessings already on their way, I offer my deepest gratitude. So mote it be.
Okay, now you can see I have a heat gun here. Okay, you cannot hear, maybe you cannot hear my voice properly because of the sound of the heat gun, but this is the procedure. Just look at how I'm doing, and you can see the sigil being embedded into the candle. Okay, now I am going to open and show you how it looks. See, this is how it looks. It's totally embedded into the candle. I will just once more. Now this is embedded totally into the candle. It will not come out, and when you light this candle, as per the ritual, you need to make sure that this part is burnt before you stop. See, this candle you can use multiple times, as if you are going to do any rituals like that. These type of candles, sigil embedded candles, so you can use multiple times. So how do you stop the candle from burning? One time when you burn, you need to make sure that the flame candle burns at least till here, touching the sigil. It has to touch the sigil, not before that. Once it touches the sigil, then this is for the first time I am saying, then you can just snuff out the candle with a steel spoon or something like that. You can snuff out the candle. Do not blow out. This candle you can use multiple times. Now we have this kind of candles with all sigils, Solomon seal sigils, archangel sigils. Now this is an archangel sigil, this is archangel Raphael sigil, all fallen angel sigils. Every sigil you need, we have candles in this kind, like this. If you want to buy ready made from us, we will give you like this. Otherwise you can make it your own way, the same way as I have shown here. You only need tracing paper and a printer and the candle and a blower like this, a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use your hair dryer also. Almost everybody must be having hair dryer at home. So that's all in this video. As promised, I have shown now how to embed sigil into a candle. Thank you so much.